Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world today. Wanted to make a quick video about the power of physiology. Now, I'll tell you what compelled me to make this quick video is because recently, well, the past few months, I've been struggling with a little bit of back pain. Hasn't been a little bit of back pain, it's been a lot of back pain, all coming from the base of my spine. And it was literally about a week ago that I actually caught myself, I'm no spring chicken, as you can probably see, but I caught myself walking really stiffly, bent over, like I was about 40 years older than I really am, and really mentally buying into the condition of having the back pain. And it reminded me, just in that moment that I caught myself, it reminded me that I can do something about it. And instead of buying into it, and instead of then adopting the physiology that compounds the problem, emphasizes and reinforces the problem, what I could actually do is change my physiology to that of somebody who isn't having back pain, who feels strong, healthy, etc., etc. That's exactly what I did. I raised my head, shoulders back, chest out, and I started visualizing as I was walking, not having the back pain, not having any pain at all, feeling healthy, vibrant, energized, enthused. And here's what showed up. Almost immediately, the pain started to dissipate. I'm not saying it didn't go totally, but the pain started to subside. All because I changed my physiology. And my energy was going somewhere else. My focus was going somewhere else. Energy flows where focus goes. Remember that. If you want to focus on the ailment, on the pain, you're effectively magnifying that problem. If you want to focus on feeling good, you're going to magnify that. And that certainly isn't a problem. So I haven't got much to say beyond that on this video, but if you're suffering with pain, if you're suffering with mental anguish, anything like that, the quickest and easiest way to start addressing the balance and feeling better is to take a look at your physiology. Start to walk and act and feel like somebody who's healthy, like somebody who's successful, like somebody who isn't stressed, somebody who's happy, vibrant, energized, successful. It's a great base for you to start when it comes to reprogramming yourself to have success, whatever that means for you, to have health, wealth, happiness, all of that good stuff. But you know what? As simple as it is to do, it's a lot easier to not bother. So my question to you is, how uncomfortable are you right now? Is it enough to make you get up and make a change? I sincerely hope so, because here's the rub, and it's positive news, by the way. You can affect it. You can change it. If you don't like where you are in life right now, if you don't like how you feel, you can change it. As Jim Rohn said, if you don't like it, just move. You're not a tree. That's the advantage of being a human being versus being a tree. If you don't like it, it's in your control and you can change it. So that's the end of my message today. I'm out walking the dog again. And guess what? No pain. You've got to give this stuff a try. It all starts between here, between these two ears, and then obviously inside. What you really believe about yourself. The thing is, if you make the conscious effort to change your physiology and your thoughts, then your beliefs will eventually follow suit. And you'll have far less of this negative stuff and far more of the good stuff. I hope that's helped. I love making these videos. If you enjoyed this short little video, then subscribe to my channel. click the bell so that you get notified each and every time I do one of these little videos. And if you want to dig even further on all things personal development, spiritual alignment, etc., etc., get across to robertcbrown.online, robertcbrown.online. Join my community of like-minded individuals over there. We're all pursuing personal growth, spiritual alignment, and we all want to make a positive difference in this beautiful world of ours. If that's you, love to see you there too. That's it for me. I'm going to finish up walking the dog, go back and get myself a nice cup of coffee. Take it easy. Cheers, bye.